Right now, thousands of people are quietly making money on YouTube without ever showing their face, without recording their voice, and without spending years learning video editing. Some of them are making a few $100s a month. Some are making thousands. And the crazy part is that most viewers have no idea these channels are run almost entirely by AI. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how beginners are building simple YouTube automation channels using AI tools and turning them into income streams that can reach $1,000 a month or more. No fancy equipment, no camera, no experience required. Just a clear system, a few smart tools, and consistency. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start your own AI-powered YouTube channel step by step. Before we jump in, if you enjoy learning about making money, online AI tools, and building digital income streams, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel AI Side Hustle. I share simple strategies that help beginners start online income streams using AI and automation. And subscribing helps you never miss those guides. Now, let's start with the biggest question most beginners ask. Is making $1,000 a month on YouTube with AI actually realistic? The answer is yes, but not overnight. This isn't some magic button. What it is, however, is a system, and when you follow the system consistently, the results start compounding. YouTube pays creators through ad revenue, affiliate links, sponsorships, and even digital products. But most beginners focused on the wrong thing. They think they need millions of subscribers. The truth is, you don't. Many small channels earn their first $1,000 long before hitting big subscriber numbers. The strategy you're about to learn focuses on automated content. That means using AI to help with research, scripting, voiceover, and even video creation. Instead of spending hours recording and editing, you guide the process while AI does most of the heavy lifting. This allows you to produce more content faster, which is extremely important on YouTube. Now, imagine this. Instead of making one video every 2 weeks, you could create 3 to 5 videos every week. That dramatically increases your chances of getting views, growing faster, and reaching monetization sooner. And once your channel is monetized, every video becomes a digital asset that can continue generating views and revenue. The first step in building a successful AI YouTube automation channel is choosing the right niche. This step is extremely important because the niche determines how easy it will be to get views and how much money you can earn. A niche is simply the topic your channel focuses on. Many beginners make the mistake of choosing a niche that is either too competitive or too random. Instead, you want something with 3 qualities. First, people are actively searching for it. Second, advertisers spend money in that topic. And third, the content can easily be created using AI. Some of the best niches for AI YouTube automation include personal finance, AI tools, productivity, history, stories, tech news, business ideas, motivation, and educational. These niches have massive audiences and strong advertising revenue potential. For example, channels talking about AI tools are growing extremely fast right now because new tools appear almost every week. Viewers want quick explanations and tutorials. Another great niche is make money online because millions of people search for ways to earn extra income. But here is a simple tip that can make your channel stand out. Instead of choosing a very broad niche, narrow it down slightly. For example, instead of host technology, you could focus on AI tools for beginners. Instead of history, you could focus on untold historical stories. This makes your content more targeted and helps the YouTube algorithm understand exactly who should see your videos. Once you pick your niche, the next step is finding video ideas that people are already interested in. The easiest way to do this is by looking at successful channels in your niche. Open YouTube and search for your topic. Look at the videos with high views and recent uploads. This shows you what viewers are currently watching. Another great trick is to read the comments under popular videos. Viewers often ask questions or request topics. These comments can become perfect video ideas. You can also use AI tools to generate ideas. Simply ask an AI assistant to give you 50 video ideas related to your niche. You'll instantly get a list of potential topics you can turn into videos. The goal is to build a simple content list. Ideally, you want at least 30 video ideas before you even upload your first video. This removes the stress of constantly wondering what to post next. Now that you have video ideas, the next step is creating the script. This is where AI becomes incredibly powerful. Instead of writing everything from scratch, you can use AI to generate a structured script based on your topic. A good YouTube script has 3 main parts: a strong hook, engaging storytelling, and a clear conclusion. The hook is the first 10 to 20 seconds of the video. Its only job is to make the viewer curious enough to keep watching. For example, instead of starting with "Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel," a stronger hook would be something like, "Most people think you need expensive equipment to start a YouTube channel, but the truth is, some creators are making thousands every month using only AI tools." That instantly creates curiosity. After the hook, the script should guide viewers through the topic in a clear and engaging way. The key is to keep the language simple and conversational. Imagine explaining something to a friend. When using AI to generate scripts, always review and edit them slightly. Add your own tone and remove anything that sounds robotic. This small step makes the video feel much more natural. Once your script is ready, the next step is generating the voiceover. If you don't want to record your own voice, AI voice tools can create very natural sounding narration. Many of these voices are now so realistic that viewers often cannot tell the difference. Choose a voice that sounds clear, friendly, and easy to understand. Since many YouTube viewers listen while multitasking, clarity is extremely important. After generating the voiceover, the next step is creating the video itself. There are several ways to do this using AI and simple editing tools. One method is using stock footage combined with text and animations. For example, if your video talks about making money online, you can show clips of laptops, charts, working from home, and digital graphics. These visuals help keep viewers engaged while the narration explains the topic. Another method is using AI video generators that automatically match visuals to your script. This can save a huge amount of editing time. Regardless of the method you choose, remember that the goal is to keep the video visually interesting. Every few seconds something should change on the screen. This could be a new clip, a zoom effect, text highlight, or simple animation. This constant visual movement helps maintain viewer attention and increases watch time. Now, let's talk about one of the most underrated parts of YouTube's success: thumbnails and titles. Your thumbnail and title determine whether someone clicks your video or scrolls past it. Think about your own YouTube habits. When you open the homepage, you don't read full descriptions. You quickly scan thumbnails and titles. A strong thumbnail should be simple, high contrast, and easy to understand within 1 second. Too much text or too many elements can confuse viewers. Titles should create curiosity without being misleading. For example, instead of AI tools for YouTube, a more clickable title could be 5 AI tools that can run a YouTube channel for you. Small improvements in your click-through rate can dramatically increase your views. Now let's talk about uploading strategy. Many beginners upload a few videos, see slow results, and quit too early. YouTube growth often starts slowly and then suddenly accelerates. The algorithm needs time to understand your channel and audience. That's why consistency is extremely important. A good starting goal is uploading 2 to 3 videos per week. Over time, this builds a library of content that can bring views every day. Think of each video as a digital employee working for you 24 hours a day. Another important factor is watch time. YouTube promotes videos that keep viewers watching longer. This is why storytelling and pacing matter so much. Instead of rushing through information, guide viewers step by step. Build curiosity between sections so they want to keep watching until the end. Now let's talk about monetization. Many people believe you can only earn money after joining the YouTube Partner Program. While ad revenue is a major income source, it's not the only one. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to monetize early. For example, if you mention useful AI tools in your video, you can include affiliate links in the description. When viewers sign up through your link, you earn a commission. Another method is promoting digital products like online courses, templates, or guides related to your niche. As your channel grows, companies may also contact you for sponsorships. These multiple income streams are why some automation channels can earn far more than just ad revenue. Now, here's an important mindset shift. Instead of thinking about making one viral video, focus on building a system. Your system might look like this: 1 day for research, 1 day for scripting, 1 day for voiceover and editing, and 1 day for uploading and optimization. Once you repeat this workflow several times, the process becomes faster and easier. Many successful automation channel owners treat their channel like a small media business. They focus on consistency, improvement, and learning from data. Speaking of data, YouTube Analytics can show you exactly what's working and what isn't. Pay attention to metrics like click-through rate and average watch duration. If viewers stop watching early, it might mean the intro is too slow. If the click-through rate is low, the thumbnail or title might need improvement. Each video becomes feedback that helps your next video perform better. Now, let's talk about scaling. Once you start getting views and revenue, you can reinvest a small portion into improving your workflow. For example, you might hire a freelance editor or a thumbnail designer. This allows you to produce more content without doing everything yourself. Eventually, Some creators manage multiple channels at once, each generating income. But remember, the goal is not speed at the beginning. The goal is learning the process and building momentum. The first milestone for most new channels is reaching the YouTube Partner Program requirements. This currently means 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. At first, this may seem like a lot, but when you upload consistently and create helpful content, these numbers start adding up faster than you expect. One video that performs well can bring hundreds of watch hours in a single day. Many creators reach monetization within several months of consistent posting. Once monetized, even older videos can start generating ad revenue as new viewers discover them. And this is where the power of YouTube really becomes clear. Unlike many other platforms, YouTube content can continue getting views for years. A video you upload today might still be bringing views and income 2 or 3 years from now. That's why building a library of videos is so valuable. Now I want to share a quick mindset tip that can make a huge difference. Perfection is the enemy of progress. Many beginners spend weeks trying to make their first video perfect. Instead, focus on getting your first videos published. Your editing, scripting, and thumbnails will naturally improve with practice. Think of your first 20 videos as training. The real growth often begins after that. Another helpful tip is studying successful channels in your niche. Look at how they structured their videos, how they design thumbnails, and how they keep viewers engaged. You're not copying them. You're learning what works. This shortens the learning curve dramatically. Now imagine 6 months from today. If you upload consistently, improve your skills, and follow the system we talked about, you could have dozens of videos working for you online. Some might be getting a few hundred views per month. Others might be getting thousands. Together, those views can turn into real income. That's exactly how many automation channels reach their first $1,000 per month, not through luck, but through consistency and smart use of AI tools. And remember, the strategies we talk about on AI Side Hustle are designed to help beginners start simple and grow step by step. You don't need a big budget. You don't need a studio. And you definitely don't need to show your face if you don't want to. What you do need is patience, curiosity, and the willingness to learn. Because the opportunity right now with AI and YouTube automation is still growing. The creators who start today will have a huge advantage in the coming years. So, if you've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel, consider this your sign to begin. Take the first step. Choose your niche. Plan your first videos and start building your content library. And before you go, I'd love to hear from you. What niche are you thinking about starting for your AI YouTube channel? Let me know in the comments below. Your idea might even inspire someone else watching this video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with a friend who wants to start making money online with AI. And if you want more simple, step-by-step guides like this, make sure you're subscribed to AI Side Hustle so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.